Oh, look at all those bubbles.
Yay, Alex! Yay, Alex! She doesn't like the grass. Oh, wow! Wow!
Look at all those bubbles,
Yay!
Alex.
Yay!
Yay! Look at those bubbles. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're everywhere. Look at that face. Oops. Oh, now they're coming for Mom and Dad.
Yeah! Oh, look at the bubbles. Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Did you pop one with your hand?
Clap, clap, clap. You gonna clap for us?
Woo! Here they come again.
Alex, clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap. Oh, that stinking ear. Oh, that itchy face.
Alex. Yeah.
You want to show us how you clap? Alex, clap, clap, clap.
Yay. Alexandria. Yay. Yay, Alex. Yay, Alex. Yay, Alex. Yay. Yay, Alex. You want Dad to come sit next? Yay! Oh, good job! Yay!
Alexandria, she's my girl, the most beautiful princess in the whole wide world. Yay, Alex! Whoops! Hey, one was on your head. Oh, dance. Yay, Alex!
Good job.
Yay!
Good job.
Clapping Alex! Yay, Alex! She's my girl! Good job, Alex. Good clapping. All right. Okay, all done.